Welcome to DailyRobo.com. In this video, we will learn how to register for DailyRobo and take backup from DailyRobo. Click on Download Now to download setup file of DailyRobo. The setup file will get downloaded. Click on Setup File and install DailyRobo. DailyRobo will install on PC in a short time. Registration window will open to register for DailyRobo. Write name, email address and mobile number for registration. Write your product key here, or call us for product key. Click on Product Registration after filling all the information. A new window will open after registration for email setting. Write email address and password from which mail has to be sent. Click on Set to finish the setup. DailyRobo window will appear after successfully registration. Click on Add to add a new task for backup. Write name of folder and description. Select path from where backup has to be taken. We will take backup of these two folders. Copy path of this file. Paste the copy path here. Write the target path, where backup file has to be taken. Copy path and paste it here. Write mail address on which backup file has to be sent. Click on Set Trigger to set parameters of backup. There are options to take backup one time, daily, weekly or monthly. Click on Date to select starting date of backup. Write time here on which backup has to be taken daily. Click on Expire and set expiry date of backup. Click on OK to save the backup process. This is the folder where backup data will come. A mail will also come on this mail of backup file. You can close this window. Backup will process automatically at set time. See, a zip folder has come automatic on its time. You can extract this file and check the data. See, 2 files are auto backup here. In this way, DailyRobo will take auto backup of selected files. A mail will also come here. See, data backup file comes on mail with the information. You can download a attached backup file. Click on Add to add a new task of backup. Now, we will take backup of specific files from a folder. Copy this path to backup files from the folder. Write target path, source path and all the informations as we have filled earlier. Write mail address and set trigger for backup. Set starting date, expiry date and timing of backup. Close DailyRobo and wait for backup. Backup file will generate here at given time. See, backup file has come here. To file comes in backup. Their email also received of backup file. In this way, we can take backup of data by DailyRobo. DailyRobo is easy to use software, and anyone can use this software. You can take any data's backup like any files, folders, Outlook files or any software data. DailyRobo tool is easy to configure and automate the task. Connect to us by mail or call. Thank you for watching the video.